Hello guy, nice to see you in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I am happy to see you again in this tutorial. I hope to return back to the math language as a new subject for the fraction, added and subtract. After we are finished before as last presentation for the introduction for the fraction. Now in this presentation we'll be learning about how we are try to learn about how we added and subtract the fraction. هلا حبايب، سعيد جدا بلقائكم. أنا جدا سعيد في هذا الدرس الجديد من دروس لغة الرياضيات التي سوف نتعلم فيها طريقة جمع وطرح الكسور بعد ما تعلمنا في المحاضرة السابقة مفهوم أو مقدمة بسيطة أو أساسية في مفهوم الكسر وأنواع الكسور اللي قلنا الكسور الصحيحة والكسور الغير الصحيحة والكسور المركبة. والآن سوف ندخل في موضوع عمليات جمع وطرح هذه الكسور. وأرجو أن التركيز، وأرجو أيضا دعم القناة بالسبسكرايب واللايك، وكذلك كتابة أي ملاحظات أو أي سؤال تودون الإجابة عليه، وأنا ممنون جدا. In this new unit we shall see how we added and subtract fraction. في هذا الوحدة سنتعلم كيفية عمل الجمع وطرح الكسور إضافة إلى جمع وطرح الكسور المركبة. مقدمة عن عمليات جمع والطرح. This is introduction for what is the meaning about added and subtract the fraction. Simple example, added the fraction of calculator هو عمليات الجمع. We have here like this is fraction as 1 over 5. This meaning 1 part from 5 part, meaning the fraction. You see here, you see this is the circle, have 1 2 3 4 5 part. We get it only one part, this part from this 5. That's why we write in this fraction as 1 over 5. هذا الكسر يمثل 1 من 5 أجزاء موجودة هنا في هذه الدائرة. Added, we added with 2 over 5. We added 2 over 5. We added for this is part, 2 part again. We added for this part 2 part again from other circle. Like this same circle, 1 2 3 4 5. We get it 2 part from this. We want to see how much the result for this part equal as a 3 part, 1 2 3. This 2 and this 1 is become 3 and 5 for all whole this circle, for whole this circle. هنا في الكسور هناك ملاحظة. Please look and listen carefully. إذا كانت المقامات متساوية نقوم بعملية الجمع والطرح للبسط فقط ولا نغير المقام، يبقى المقام كما هو. في حالة، أكرر، I repeat again, if you see the denomination is same the amount, you just do it the process on calculator only the nominators as plus or minus فقط. Example, we have here 3 fraction as we want to add it 180 18 plus 18 plus 5 8. This fraction, you see this denominator is same, that's why only we added this, we get 7 over 8. You get 7 over 8. This 7 coming 1 2 plus 5 is 7 over 8 because this is same. هنا يمثل انه طالما المقام متساوي نقوم فقط بعملية جمع البسط. هذه الملاحظة أرجو حفظها أو دائما تذكرها. في حالة الجمع والطرح للكسور إذا كانت المقامات متساوية نقوم فقط بجمع الكسور أو طرحها كما هو موجود بالإشارات. قد تكون هنا ماينس، قد تكون هنا بلس، نقوم بعملية الماينس فيرست after that we plus. same. Also, we have, he asked me for this example, calculate this is minus. You see, this here is minus. Same process. We see this is the fraction as denominator is same. That's why just only minus 5 plus 2 is become 2 over 8. It's become 2 over 8 like this. Here 2 over 8, I can simplify this by cancelling 2 and 8. I get it 1 over 5, 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is coming. 2 over 2 is 1. 8 how many 2 is 4. هنا قمت بعملية تبسيط لهذا المقدار لهذا الكسر، وهو بعملية اختصار القيمتين البسط والمقام. 2 على 2 بها 1، 8 على 2 بها 4. That's why should be you make the simplify for the last in order to get the last result. Example here, calculate 3 plus 4 over 5. This also same process, same. This is, you see, denominator is same. That's why I just only added the numerators. I get this 7 over 5. 7 is coming. 3 plus 4 is 7 over 5 equal 1, 2, 3. 1 over 2, 3. 1 over 2, 3. Like this. After cancel, because 7, how many 5 is 1? And get 2 over 3, remain 3 over 2. That's why this mixed fraction, this called mixed fraction, because we have one whole and the part of the fraction. Here I give you some exercise to try to do it in yourself, and let me know about the result in the comment, please. This one, A question and B question, and I give you this also in this exercise as a subtract for the fraction, this A and this B. Now this you have 4 questions, 2 in the plus and 2 in the minus. You can try. You see all the denominator is same, just you make the normal process for added, and here also the normal place for the subtract, because the denominator is same. Now we go to see another topic in this fraction with the different denomination. Now we understand how we are process or solve any problem for the question. If the denominator is same, we are just added the numerator or subtract numerator. And here if we have the different denominator, yani not here like this same, but different number, 4, 2, 3, 4 like this, we see in the example. In this case, we see what happened when we are wanting to add it or subtract a fraction where the denominator is not the same, عندما يكون المقام مختلف. ماذا نفعل? Look at this example. Here we have, you see, here we have half plus quarter, half plus quarter. In this case, we just only see the denominator, which is the number except divided without remind. For 2 and 4, we go to the timetable. See, 2 is 2, 4 coming from 2 times 2. That's why is 4 is the big one, the smallest number we can divide it by 2 number this without any remind. You see, half is coming from the equivalent 2 over 5. How come this? Because 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. That's why we get 2 times 2, 2 over 2 over 4 as equivalent for half. When we cancel this, how many 2 and 2 is 1? How many 4 and 2 is 2? That's why we get half. Plus 1 4, this plus 1 4, I give 3 4. This easy, because this half and this quarter is 3/4. It's become 3/4 in the total. Normal. هنا في هذا الكسر نذهب إلى جدول الضرب أو التايم تيبل C which the number يعني يقبل القسمة على هاي الرقمين بدون باقي، هو الأربعة، يقبل القسمة على 2 ويقبل القسمة على نفسه هو 4. فذلك فالأربعة هي تكون موحدة حتى نوحد المقامات. هنا وحدنا المقامات، صار المقام هنا 4 وهنا 4، فصارت العملية 3 you see. المقامات موحدة 2 4 and 1 4 plus normal process is get 3 4. So 1 2 plus 1 4 equal 2 4. Why is 2? Because it's 4. 2 times 2 is 2. 4 4 2 2 times 2 is 2. That's why here's 3 over 4. That's why I add it here, you see, because this is denominator is same. That's why I get 2 plus 1 is 3. I treatment only with this. I treatment only with this. You see this half and this is circle, and this part for 4 part. That's why I get half plus quarter. This one quarter from the 4. I get 3 quarter. Example again. Calculate 3 4 and 3 8. Here also I see the denomination. This different, not same. That's why I must to make same. How can I make this same? هنا الكسور أيضا المقامات مختلفة، يجب أن أوحد هذه المقامات، أجعلها مقام واحد أو رقم واحد. فأذهب إلى جدول الضرب أو إلى التايم تيبل. I see time table which is 4. He's coming from 1 2 4. That's all. 8 is coming 1 2 4. That's why is 8 is 4 both together in their denominators. Yes. You see here is total that plus this 3 of 8. This is 8 part and this is 3. It's become 6. 6 is coming because I get the 8. 8, how many 4 is? How many 8 here is? This. How many 8 this here? Is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. How many 4 is 2? 2 times 3 is 6. That's why he's become here. I just change this is because I get this 8. 8. How many 4 is 2? 2 times 3 is 6 over 8 plus 3 8. The same. This 3 same. That's why I do it. Calculator same process. I get 9 over 8. I simplify this. 8 how many 9 how many 8 is 1 and remind 1 over 8. I simplify for the to the next fraction. Example, here in minus, that's why I have here also same different calculator. I want to make this always is same process, which the number except divided without remind. I see the timetable for 4 2 4 6 2 4 6. That's why I see is 12 equal both together in without remind because 6 with 4 is not accept, 4 with 6 is not accept. That's why I 4 2 4 8 12 2 4 2 6 12. Timetable 4 2 times 2 is 4. 6 times 6 is 12. That's why 12 except without remind both together. That's why I do it this. I see here, you see, I explain to you what I do it. must أنا سويت هنا. أنا أروح إلى التايم تيبل أشوف شنو الرقم اللي يقبل القسمة عليهم بدون باقي. هو رقم 12 12 يقبل القسمة على 4 ب3 وعلى 6 ب2، لأن بعد التحليل الرقمين راح يكون 12 هو العامل المشترك بيناتهم. ف 12 is the lowest common factor for the 4 and 6. That's why 3 4 minus 1 6 equal 3, because 12 how many 4 is 3 times 3, that's why 3 times 3, this for this, 3 times 3 is 12. 12, how many 6 is 2? 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 2 is like this, 6, also 4, same, you see. This coming, do you know this coming? This coming as a 3 times 3, this 3 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, I get 12. 6, 12, how many 6? 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. I get for that 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 1 times 2, 2. 6 times 2 is 12. That's why now you see the denominator as a same. هنا أصبح المقام موحد. المضاعف أو العامل المشترك اللي بيناتهم هو 12 اللي أخذته أو اللي شفته في التايم تيبل. هنا أصبح 12. هاي 9 جاية من 3 times 3 وال2 جاية من 1 times 2 و12 مشتركة بيناتهم. That's why I can do it now. 9 minus 2 is 7. I get 7 over 2. Divided this to simplify also, you can do it anything because 7 is not have any 12. That's why keep it like this. هنا لا يمكن عملية التبسيط لأن ماكو علاقة بيناتهم فتترك كما هي. Mixed fraction. هنا عدنا إذا كان لدينا في عملية الجمع والطرح للمقامات للكسور المركبة. هنا لدينا we have here two fraction 5 3 4 minus 1 5 4 5. في هذه الحالة نقوم في عملية تبسيط لهذه المقامات. Now we are simplify this as fraction to cancel this whole in order to get same process when you do it like here do it. How I do this? I multiply the denominator in the whole number and added the numerator. You see, 4 times 5 20 plus 3 23. 23 over 4 minus 5 times 1 5 plus 4 9 over 5. I change this fraction to improper fraction إلى عامل غير صحيح. You see 5 times 4 times 3. From where is coming this? من أين جاءت هذه؟ جاءت من 4 5 times 4 plus 3. 1 times 5 plus 4. 1 times 5 plus 4 over 4 over 5. I simplify normal this to get 23 over 4 minus 9 over 5. This process 1 5 plus 4 is 9 over 5. Now I see here, I get here the different denominator. How can I do this? I looking for which the number except without the remind. Without the remind, I see the timetable. I see 4 8 12 16 20 5 10 15 20. So the 20 is the common factor between 5 and 4 and except without any remind. Or directly I say 4 times 5 is 20. That's why 20 is the pass. That's the denominator. That's why I multiply this by 5 and multiply this by 4 in order to get 20. You see this 5 from where coming? Because I said 20, how many 4 is 5? 5 times 23, this 5, 23 times 5. 20, how many 5 is 4? 4 times 9, 4 times 9 is 20. We get like this. 23 times 5, 115 over 20. And here 9 times 4 is 36 over 20. Now denominator is same. Now I make the same process as 115 minus 36 over 20. 79 over 20. This is the result for this. And I make the simplify. I see 79. How many 20 is it? 3 and remain 19 over 20. This is the last. Here I give you some exercise to make a practice about it, and you can return back to the this is presentation in order to more understand, and you can search about anything for that. And please, you can answer to me for this question in the comment. And thank you so much for watching. This question A, this question B, and this question C. This is the different denominator. You know how you do it. This you must to see the timetable, which the number accept this, and which the number between this and this can accept without remind. Also, this is without remind. I think so. This 15 and this 10 and this is 27 is accept this, and you simplify the question. And this for also. This is max factor, max fraction. Do you know? First, you must to simplify this fraction by 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17 over 4. Here 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 over 5. That's why after that you continue to simplify the fraction depending about the rule or the process when you see in this presentation. هون هذه المسائل شباب أرجو أن تتمرن على حلها، وإذا لقيت فيها صعوبة اكتب لي بالكومنت، ولا تنسون من دعمكم للقناة، وشكرا جزيلا للمشاهدة، وأرجو الرجوع إلى الفقرات السابقة في هذا الفيديو للتذكير أو في عمل يعني كيف يمكن لك أن تحل هذه المسائل. وأنا سعيد بمشاهدة ملاحظاتكم، لا تنسون دعمنا في هذه القناة، وشكرا جزيلا. لا تنسون هذا أهم شيء عندنا، ولا تنسون السبسكرايب. Thank you so much guys.